What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. So here is a multi screwdriver 12 in one single pocket screwdriver. You can buy a similar screwdriver from the link below. So now let me open it. Let Jimmy a Geek open it. Personally I own this multiple, but I think I need to have one in my laptop bag to carry with me everywhere. Yeah, but the problem is that sometimes you cannot check in with you and your luggage. Okay, come on. Okay, the screwdriver is not coming on off. Be careful, there's stapler inside. Okay, yeah, finally. Yeah, so finally, as you can see, it have like these kind of tips. Again, it need to be 6. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 6. I'm happy with that. And now you'll be thinking, Jimmy, how to use. Just put like this. It's magnetically attached. I will buying like few more. Is This is a must have for every geek out there, for every mom and dad. Everyone should have. So now you can easily store all of the bits here. Now let me show you. It's very easy. It's that easy. Yeah, I mean it's that easy to store. I do not find anything better than this one. Come on. Okay, one bit is be outside. I'm gonna put inside. Let me make it. Okay, it's not going inside. You need to be a little bit smart when you're putting this one. Come on. Yeah, finally. Well, I mean the build quality is quite good. This is a must have. So I have 12 screwdriver tip in just one. Whether you are audio engineer, whether you are computer repair guy, whether you are just average Tom, Dick and Harry, this is a must. This is a must. I mean this is a must. You should have. Also make sure to subscribe. And it was me, Jimmy Geek. Bye.